Pamela watching some BM Emfa Emra Bigam Jumedia so on Adom TV. Live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. So and a multi TV channel social live and so yes streaming off Facebook Adom TV Extra. Sounds that Benjamin so actually on YouTube. Ukwa search for Adom TV. Brother say yeni abijafo betenase edin ku aka chese eya for feeder kese de share akuafo animonyam e wo Ghana. Esanse nye omo a ke hunamane. Say no ameka cho say abra Yesu Kristo ye 40 days 40 nights ewie no ade abonefo di kan de so ne hwe ye aduane. And it's how important aduane eye woni pa abra. But when did that kokra na asem eye ese fa na sekese kuma Dominion herbal powder. Akasa no pa bia osori a ye ne seti no onye so shake kakra bi na osa 1 teaspoon de agum o stir inside one no e bo boost immune system na ho de ba ni padua no se na be ya se yare bi antime di ni padua no so enkondem sanso e na ye wo Dominion herbal ointment wapano waposo e na eye wo ya oje ho ba bia enye ohia Dominion herbal ointment fast so be pains ni nyina e de everyone pebito e wo enkran Repatch Ventures Nana Boache Herbal Angels Herbal Shops Ashama for ni enchire Ekus Pharmacy Tebafon called Little George Health Shop Kofodia ko Gabson Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy Ohinena na Herbal Owusko B Pharmacy and Central Market no edi animhwe sum for ko Tony K Pharmacy Achimoda so for ni enchire Nana ya Provision Store Kennedy Drug Store na fe so menyanso ko Nagiza Pharmacy one epedo to Efrem 0543 158 195 0543 158 195 and 0249 591 843 0249 591 843 Dominion Herbal Powder or see for your well-being but you need to finish do me no won't can a home Kingdom Home Estate enye ene ensase to one cry aye ding so to asase ba ko se kim ubetwe nipa be sempem wo ha e ka ansa na asase na kasa tia be du nsem e se ba sana se wanka sa timi nya fie bi na woto na akotre mo wasum na dwo na Kingdom Home Estate cry na se de cry say bibi bia nipa hia ona bra bo ma na bro ma se tene wie pay de ma no ukọ estate bibi wo honom akwan papa ensuo nkanea bambo ho nsem enso eye tight pa bisu estate mo CCTV cameras no etwa ba bia ehia omo dan so bo e wo fom pa o se wo de bra obetimi atwa between 50 to 70% na de aka ne spread the best 2 years e the amount from o e was 0536 149 961 0536 149 961 and 0303 939 987 na frere ginchire mo bia aka bia Kingdom or see no challenger abajafo atnas meeting de akwasi ensia I'm from Chakese Enko Efama Mexico. You share live from London, Average Memo. Me so who ye dear. Me and I'm doing better. But once again, happy belated birthday Confirma Okro, Mr. Kujo. You wish you all the best. Yamisha Nonya Kese Kopinso Beye Kesepa. We love you all to the max. And Yakupo yard more chance so and I can say in your fifi buafo. Your war cocoa board. Ni papa e yo nebaso e watakwa. Yanko ni yanko kana wona. Want me emkra papa echire kra abejafo atena se baba twi enkomana kuma baba di efa Ghana akuafo asetena emu ye di ye farmers de pese hwe sunsuanso a enya ewo Ghana akuawo ensem so yesi ye bra kuawo niema bi etese emu ye ne sonche kakra eto efam ba bi so emu nkukọ ya odo ayekra edeba ye mamechire force chicken no ebe so Ghana ho boaboa Ghana ho siesie ebetimi absorb say eba agric mu a eno so Ghana size castle depend for the carter aba want be chim say afim pimienu ene adwenu mienu ade ye fen food insecurity na osoro pa ye o ye mem so the total afim pimienu ene adwenu miensa ne ye hwe enu ade na kire say ampa ye kase ye de sonche kakra to enwane bi e kra di frama no ne eba so a ebetimi agina na so ese oman perifo ye kan wama ye di sa nkomo ene anopai ye opani ba kwa wabi enim die pa ewokua wo enseboru adana akwasi active oye agronomist sanso ena Eric Sosum member of Ghana National Association of Farmers and Fishermen perifo bako de bako mama mu nyina so fisher pa
Oh,
aje na ko ye kuafo de opani so mami sase emfem froso se enya na foforo bia ye de ye ne nya sunsanso bi wo modwuma mudi so
oh se farmers dey di na ya de pa
okay
se wo se kai bra kuafo ebra me kai those days na edi Independence Day na
yeah
my kuafo no akwanya ama mo be showcase nyama motimi eye
yeah
ntema yetimi hu akuafo ahodo ayewo ane obi a na dwumedi a odie
yeah
obi wo ho a ebi a oye cashew nut grower obi so ewo Syria obi so ewo friends yam ntema obi a de ne de ba yehu yeho ntino edumire a wo se akuafo no ye bɔ maba so na yehu adwuma pa omoye san se aduane amma me ne wo nkrata na be de amaye etimi fin kra se kwakoye de ekoye fuo say ye large quantity say ye on small scale ye mo bi abaso
okay
na adwuma pa obi aye nti me tena ha no pa we a masida kese ekoma kuafo say enya omo a nka ene ye te ha
relativo ya she akuafo enkuran eye ya encourage omo eye wa adwuma mu ye through farmers day ya yedi
medase ansana no mbedi kan ama akuafo nyina ayiko ewo nyuma pa woye emagana se akuafo ankwa nyina yebuada nti meka se akuafo ayiko ebiom ewo nyuma pa mudi na asembisa no meka se wo Ghana yen kuaye mu no farmers day abebua pi
okay
nizendini se wo ye adwuma bi na se wanya basubbo bi ya na ema wabomebu ndi se farmers day yemma panyi a wanya ne baby ko Flight Lieutenant JJ Rawlings and all the farmers day ebeboase na yenyi ye follow nyama pi na utimi se free sa time no abo shase ebesi enne no nyama pi asesa because those times no farmers no the first farmer no kra no onya radio and a Wellington boots and a cutlass ebesi samri ya yema edan utimi se aboa pi and a share bebre nkran yo ma ya adwuma na che from 1992 abesi ne ma chewo mu kakra a share bebre nkran say once wo pese wo benya abasobode nti obi a pese ode ne ho agim bi but ye kan say no nkyere say nanso eni ho
okay nanso wo
eti
Eric ye ka say nanso bi wo ho a wo ye kuani nanso be ne wo farmers day na yedi no askuani
yo wo ye akuani na se e wo se bo abaso ana se ma wakade ye se wo de ye kuadwuma no se sa akade na ba na question mark e wo ho esane se kuadwuma na ye no ye se ye benya bi edi edi bi akwa bonten akoton akodwam
okay
na afoforo se enya bi ato enti se kuadwuma na ye no ekwan yakọ efuo ni mu no ekwan ne nya
okay
car ebekọ no esanse nsuo to a atache adokore ekwan no nti ka bia pese obekọ akọ ka wakwan no mu ntina bia ne se eba abonten no nti memba na aka na se apro aka ho
okay
nti ne yaka ne nyina ne se ehia emmoa se ekuafom kwan ese etimi ye ma Number 2, or say it me kai say. Almost baby or more no. Or deserve some live better. The kai Cote d'Ivoire during the days of Ofobo here. Say oh yeah investor, not person we are as a farmer. Maybe obey farms. You more you more a construct road. A ko baby a over so koye fu no. Say the road will be what? More trouble.
Yeah.
Now what is affordable housing? For workers na on better ho. Nti the person obia a feel happy. Obia ho han no e we kwa adwuma ye no. Nti so obi ba ye ka say me who investor be ofia baby amana ne say wa ba be ja asase organ na oba ye focus here wa employ ni pa bebre
like large scale
farmers no
okay
ye ho na ye boy ye ho modern kakra obi say ye former EC chair afareja also were farms eja omo ye kakra retired police officers bi mo so were farms omo ye kakra retired military officers bi so were farms say some of the politicians you know who say farms na beboa bebre invest into farming na make can say farm na ye no say be ye in a large scale na it me for workers na beboa say obi wo ho no ekura na owo no efu na owo no a odo no a small scale obi say subsistence farming for family alone what I say
okay
just to live on it's a koban say ono enya obi ebe boa no na wonya kakra ade ato no botomu a ade no dey no say a village no no adwuma no ye no oye edidi kwa there's something mobra nti stress abanso mra no mo mboboa na akua adwuma no mo ye no man say a village no mote no omote for nothing of course some of the rural areas now hwesa ne a omo setenate e was a village ho na obisa say are they part of human beings ubisa says a quiet here even me say even Greater Accra some of the roads your farms in the southern sector within the Greater Accra here in farm ko actually be all the tractor here na fa kwan a farming community road you still talking to me go upon one kuta 4x4 you can't go there oh do baby over sign nti esra ban say ommo akuafo na ye kwan a e de atwa duane ba no e den a omu a ye baka se okwe ya organize mofafo mpanfo
okay
omu konko sra obi afuo e kwan ne nya obedan ko wutimi nko nti ye invest into the roads apart from roads no kwa say just for the farmers alone no it also help tourism the same kind na they apply to our tourist site. It is farming and then tourism.
Okay. But I think we have a young share now so na a woman. Okay. There be a boom kunta say Ghana for base 70% and a year. And so there be a crack queer moon near man to do free and crofwa man so by a memo. To the extent say Jane tomatoes, ye free neighboring countries. How can a 70% farming country a crack in foodie a different performance?
That's it. Some, but yedika. Okay. Men free has say ansana kia bedim. Ayabeka so obia ni ji kia hono. Na eniyama bi ehia no ye de atutu yi. Ni aye dikan se ye mampo a woba wonyi eda adwen ye de hye wontim afakua ho se ameka say education ministry kra no ye ni syllabus a efa agric ho
in our primary and secondary
from yes agric no ye de free primary and ye de co university. Okay. You free university, you primary. Okay. Bisa say primary syllabus no, agric way. Secondary agric way. Ni na wo ya wo beka cho say we integrated.
Okay.
But those days no, now you were agric. Into the interest is generated from the beginning. Now, no who generating interest in you it doesn't end there. Then tinama agric so you the way forward. Obia produce we or expect market.
Yeah.
Answer na market be bano. There must be processing. Processing no ena ayira ewo young agric development mu. Shese wo nam fiti tema eko sugar coffee. Would before we do Adom junction no. We say watermelon farmers bebre ewo kwan no. So we be produces during the season. But ebedu baby no bon say na obi anto na akagu kwan no ho na pro uye kuyani a wabe mumbu na say aban to me the processing aspect no edisi also watermelon ye be produce juice for even watermelon media no ye mfato ho ye be produce juice. We will have more youth going into agriculture. Okay. Because onim say okọ ha obeden obenye sika because o producer obi beden ebeto marketing a eni agriculture na ekum agriculture enunti na ma youth no kra no won abemu bu se wobekọ into agriculture won pese wobekọ into agriculture because my year me no be anto. There was a time you say yen produce sunflower as a film we share investment a farmers ye na sa sunflower no obia ento na what pa banche say ye pa chebeje sunflower meanwhile sunflower it can generate a lot of income but ye be ye no be anto nti a big problem ma agriculture say if I should borrow the word the planting for food and jobs say pass and planting for food and jobs say what to me investing into more processing. Oh, now I like the idea and it's one district, one factory. But processing is not yet. Because one district, one factory, and here raw materials. It to me encourages everybody should go into the farm, to farm. Even backyard garden, will be producing. The backyard garden will generate a lot of raw materials. Because nearby say, so we're there is no need say obekako third year until you have money in your pocket. Employment will also come in. Now raw material also will go into the processing. And the government will use the districts that have the industries, one district, one factories, now or the processing. Maize like this can be used for such an experiment. Maize can be processed into so many things, the flour, banku, what do you call it, even bread, pastries, a lot of we can do it. But some processing aspect in a free holding, and my agriculture is not appetizing.
So now Eric is a concern be about say it looks as if say commercial farming a bit me self-independent war.
Yes, but the commercial farming
agri 70% of Ghana's population are into agri. But still,
the question is, if the commercial farms even are there, like Africa, they have a lot of commercial farms for their cocoa. Fine. But if you don't have the means to process it, we don't even have that, say, you will go into post-harvest loss. No. In the farm and produce or trying to say market women, your processing unit, process here. It will also boost commercial farming because a lot of people will go into. I'm telling you, Ghana, we are so much blessed in agriculture. But because that aspect, processing area, any honintino, ye producer, naka. Koshe inansaya insute. Share brewer essay. Wonga ebu ebro will attest to what I'm saying. A brewer essay. Say to me a process here, all those maize can benefit and generate a lot of income and encourage most people to go into agriculture.
Maybe see me any break commercial farming and who a bit me a cater for sad because we all commercial farming piano. One on him say a lot of money. Like example, now Eric SIT. So bana so why so baby oh your friend now be investing into farming. I face she acquire a free chrome echo a full monum. Afe adan kuma adwefo no ebetimi atenem ene so bi oba ba esa bi obesa adwen silos enso ho se be produce in larger quantity me wi amete dia kwa kogu he e bi ya adwen eko yeah ya adwen ko ho no mu a maybe because they be look say ye kua na ye de totobi di kua
one say wasem no say 70%.
Yes.
Na 70% emu ahe ena ye commercial farmers. It's just about 5 no point. You understand? So to help people go and produce more, the processing area must be taken care of.
Eric,
and a commercial, sorry.
Okay.
And a commercial farm, no. Because they will be able to generate the enough funds to process. But you share in totality 70% no. The commercial farmers was government here no is the onus is on government. Say obeboa na ye processing aspect no ye dia adwuma yiye.
I will see a tree yard you could see commercial farming, Eric. Because yatra 70% on watch dodo.
Yes.
Yatra over 30 years. Yatra and 70% of Ghanaians are farmers. 70% of Ghanaians are farmers. And so tomatoes. They're free Burkina Faso.
Burkina.
Oh, sir. You can't. Ghana National Association of Farmers and Fishermen, which is NAF, which was formed in 1992 under the Fourth Republic.
Okay.
Now, is the mother umbrella of all farmers.
Okay.
You know, and the bring better one, equity award winners.
Okay.
You know, we were having about 5 million, over 5 million members.
Okay.
Across the country. Yeah, your members are at district level, regional level, and national level. The secretariat in our Ghana House.
Okay.
Now you are Ponano Ho. That's a great directorate. I almost say a Ponano Ho. You the beach, you know, you feel it's almost demolish here when on my office, our Ghana House, in Tehona. Now, you made dear, it was a pharmacy mid together with MOFA.
Okay.
Because Ministry of Food and Agriculture, just office. A government institution. But without the help of the organization, move for intimate in the Juma. Also, about the data collection, we are the best when it comes to data collection in the country.
In Agric.
In Agric. Because Abamba and Abjess will use more office staffs. Say they should go on the field.
Okay.
With the use of US aid. Your agric-based organization or almost when it comes to data collection. Now, I say enough the farmers department, no, and not only for farmers alone, but also for fishermen also as well.
Okay.
You know, what you say now, what you say, I say, a human and yet organization in the moon, a mofa and a fed man and a air.
Okay.
Because we are much concerned about farmers, even more than mofa itself. Because they'll come to the organization. They can't go straight to MOFA because MOFA no a government institution. I
didn't know over the years, over 30 years since 1992, you've not been able to put your members into commercial farming. Now, so a year, Kuyan Kuman.
Mamma Samintro. Sir, a bit more, you hear the help of the government.
Money Abayakasa.
You know about transfer. On several occasions. So, I remember why now organization there. Almost say they be a politics. And fancy be a mumreso and they be a way a was our position way. It's a bahu for about there. Almost 8 minutes in Juma. I don't know a coup quia on my way. It's a say, be ye quia if you ho. They be an American say, Yachichere Amanoko, no more Yachichere mine. Into a man Yachichere, yes, so yensum, any nipper. You be so much, and I ye. Say you be jatum, say per se a mind there, and found baby obifi. Send an hour cano. Tomatoes, imported Burkina Faso, and didn't here. I had a very soft. Was almost GMO.
Burkina Faso?
Yes, a GMO. Ain't you know, it's me transfer a manager a yedding.
Okay.
You come about silos, about storage. You miss your home say. In a season, no, a quiafono, or more harvest here. Tons draw send me harvest in a season.
Okay.
It was your first season, second season, even third season. Every season, be no, tons draw send me a day. Inya.
But you have on my free young court Ghana Car Service. And I'm because some of the crater be a piabon to your more chair set 2022. Now food insecurity, where men will. I know the year. Yen page Rebecca already Antonio Dro, then try a labor statistician or Ghana Statistical Service. I can't hear watch and pay a barbecue Jumedia so.
You have to be a tearful.
A tearful near her phone so as you said, I say. Sir Moka said food insecurity for 2022. Now I was sure. Number some what you're saying.
You, and your food insecurity in Kuala, report to the
Yeah.
So, 2022, our household income and expenditure survey, fine. Data collection, I share food insecurity, and I share almost all we are multi-dimensionally poor and our unemployment. So, indeed, a combination say 250,000 or more, total. No more food insecure at the same time unemployed.
Okay.
But food insecurity, just to explain, in just food insecurity, SDG go to, care about eradicating hunger. The food insecurity, a major beer, you don't show whether amount for any sufficient food, allow access to sufficient food, safe, or nutritious. 3 a year, the only amount for the people have access to number one, sufficient food, whether the food is safe, and that's nutritious or not. And then you did measure. If you cover from the survey, quarter 4, and just a month for not almost year to now say so almost high food insecure at the same time, and it's more than a quarter, that is over 250,000.
Samuka se omunya aduane a aduane mo kwakopa to e wo dwom e na nye available anaso mu ni sika o mbeto aduane na wo dwom no.
You, I think we have a very good question. Indicator no, I the measure no, show you ma and watching. So first one, actually say, be ana obi o ha na comedy na in terms of our own aduane, the comedy so onya aduane. Number 2, obi o ha where need the whole day and I mean these are the factors no. Number 1, say the comedy onya no onya aduane. And then number 2, when you're doing the whole day. Number 3, was staple aduane. Was there a time when was staple aduane because there was no food? It says woody. And 4, did they less? Area where did they prepare the more? Then so aduane na any quality no. And so did credit. Sometimes I afraid of this. Almost I'm trying to brunch. It will combine breakfast any lunch at the same time. And so ideally, and so we did breakfast, and we did lunch, and we did supper. And then number 2, so household, all run out of food and and then the last one here, state of being worried. And it's on your 80, and I say, finding yourself in it, then you will say that your household is food insecure. And to these 8 factors, SSA must come to play for a household to be declared as food insecure.
Okay, it's muko ye dwaso no aduane wo market.
Okay, it's really different from market way no. Market na inflation.
Okay.
That's one the prices of it. But this one we are talking about the household.
Okay.
Into these questions are put to household members. It will feel maybe to ya na say aduane will be required and not to more degree. So there was no enough food. 8 questions have to be asked. And then the household look up say, oh yes. Then we can say that the household is food insecure.
So nipa be say 250,000 wa Ghana in 2022. Na aduane o menya edi ho oden emo.
Exactly. So that is for household because we're a household survey.
Yeah.
And in America, they must satisfy 18. Yes, that is it. And then there were a time I'm running out of food. If you crowd, sorry, if you crowd will be at what drink. If you crowd, and yeah, enough. Almost be and I'm so collecting could be deep and cream more. And so, I'm sure there were the video, and there were times crowds, okay, moon is break. Because he did break the ambushment of Munya, which we call escape. You have to escape the food.
That's a meyate wasi ya na efando don ya kwa kogina ahokyira aba abusunyane so ntino ontimi nto enwuane dodo emfa nsum efie.
Of course, yes, because what I say, this one intercession, and that at the same time, social report, at the same time, these people normally are unemployed. Of course. It is a 1 year you're unemployed. Uber then crown and what me after food staff, a feeding family. Obi Nabia or Bema will be this cry and enough. He said they can years, but of course, food insecurity also comes with unemployment. I mean, so it's not surprising. Fair. These people were unemployed and at the same time, because only unemployed, all right. But when it comes to food, maybe you will supply on family member, their family member, a moment sky, so obviously the household will be under such condition.
Meaning, sir, and the last quarter of the year, Moody, and Chebenya, your last inflation figures and Sunday, 2024. But we know Emma non conquer, say, and Yanni enigum.
Not necessarily, because a Janibet here will do. And so now we need to car what they talk. For example, I mean, sometimes they will call shop a month for cafe. Hey, they're gonna food because local shopper a month for big guarantee. Fine. As a Diano, but you don't have the means I would better. So it's not orienting can't always the case say a Diana anyhow, but the means to afford. Because a Diano Honor who needs car would be better because you're unemployed now. Then it begins to. It may not always be the case, say, inflation is even coming down.
Yeah. Next, yeah, come here, quite say, poverty level, no, and a costro.
So, yes, because if you are, of course, if you are poor, you can't afford a day's meal. I mean, we all know. It has something to do with poverty, of course, because the poor cannot afford. I mean, imagine say a January and Kola or on a Uniska would do cook room crowd for few staff at the below and the so it has something to do with poverty.
So basically, this 250,000 amount for now, we capture mono. I am conform munya jumakra.
Okay, no. So this 250,000 I compare almost munya jumana at the same time your food insecurity. But if you talk about unemployment, unemployment figure high, 1.74 million. In fact, for the fourth quarter, the unemployment figure was 1.45 million.
That was the year 2022. Unemployment at Ghana now 1.74 million.
Okay, so that is so. If you say the year, okay, when your friend of quarterly,
okay,
every quarter.
Okay.
So for the fourth quarter, in fact, for the fourth quarter, they say about 1.4 million persons were unemployed in the fourth quarter. Now it was a reduction compared to all the 3 quarters in Bomwa. The 3 quarters in Bomwa, the average was 1.74 million.
Okay.
But for the fourth quarter, it declined. It reached the rate now. So I'm giving you the absolute figures. But the rate, it declined from 13.7 to 11.5. So between fourth quarter of 2022 and the first 3 quarters, unemployment reduced by 290,000. Which means that, yes, there was a decline.
Okay.
Because over the quarters, it's been around 1.7. But by quarter 4, about 1.4 million. So you see that number is more than almost normally unemployed and at the same time food insecurity. Because when America said there can be some people who are unemployed, but when it comes to food insecurity, they are out because maybe family members supply. Because who else can do and so you're begging if you I will be throughout the
day. So we are looking for by 2023 and the at least you bet me unemployment. I'm an above for me. Looking at the figures, I buy Airbus to say, and you ma a quenya amount for it me a year Juma within the past 7 years.
Well, we measure the interventions.
Okay.
To find, we will see if job creation, the government has created jobs. We will see the impact on the employment and unemployment. Okay. Because that's why we have for quarter 4. You see the unemployment rate, ever from. At the same time, we share employment rate now. employment rate cost so kakra, from 56 to 58. So that it's not surprising that unemployment bar from Kogu employment so kakra. So well, we hope to see how to measure. I mean, we have data for 2023. I think up to quarter 3. When we do the analysis, we'll see. I mean, hoping that is how it will turn out.
That's what Penny Veras will be saying upon your brain and your trim come.
You listen to that.
Opening Anthony Odro Denchra, a labor statistician or Ghana Statistical Service. 80, Eric, I say more. But inflation is about for more. Only so unfortunate food inflation, was wrong. But the total outlook of inflation, abaform. But the food inflation, was wrong. You
can't inflation, then inflation.
He said, yes, Kakrebi no woodrum is coming breaches.
Almost said, no one said, young kind of crap.
Okay.
As it is.
Okay.
What your system, no, see, and second wide. Second wide. Say, cast inflation, my for more. Ning Niger bottom.
Yeah.
Bottom year, unless inflation, my from. So bottom year.
Okay.
Maybe my culture on authority says some people even live 1 square meal a day.
Ghana.
Yes. Or can we did 12 1 no.
Boys in
Yes. It's a fact. It's a fact. People are suffering.
It be within 1 week, they be within once.
Yeah, it be anopa. But me could be there.
Okay.
2 3 would there no.
You know, didn't pray no.
Coco the same all the so asen.
Your person one wako pe coco and na say me.
Coco all the support anopa.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh na me say all the support anopa no. The same sort of coco no obanu musuo. Oh say na akoye no.
Okay, or the nsuo be replace
coco no.
Say the one mo be twa water be no.
Yes.
Or the nsuo be hye coco na na. No atwen ya 2 no.
About 2 a. No wa pa bia na obedi obanu musuo a. The next day. Yes.
Adwano.
But
affordability. Everything you can about processing. The post-harvest loss alone. Yeah, my mefa konya na.
Say post-harvest loss here say ye dua enobae na wie no.
Na ye nya
konya mfa mfiri afuomu madwam. Na egu afuomu
na say.
Eno dooso chen ye ebadwam.
Let me applaud Jaspon, Dr. Joseph Siama Japan, for the initiative he has taken.
Okay.
Say the next maybe 3-4 years, in the rice production sector, will take over. Na yetimenya konya, na yetimenya they reduce the importation of rice.
Okay.
Na you call Katanga, that's around Salaga area muho.
Okay.
Na ya the rice farmers one-on-one. Once Yakupon in his own wisdom, no Ghana, no baby, I carry a beshare, no. Once a nya akosomo, which is the water lake, which is the source of irrigation. Until we are lucky enough, say even Krano, during the dry season, Krano, a bit nya all round season, because of the water lake. What I say, it will be a source of irrigation. Of course, some northern part of almost more some rivers be and also to me a source of water. Almost with me all round season farming.
Okay.
What I say, no. Of course, some of the European countries don't even have it. Baby, almost twins you. Edeba. A water a food for irrigation. Distance now. Now, so how do you know how to see now so that to afford it a problem. No, we as Ghanaians, we can't do that. The government must come to intervention of the farmers. And so what about to me make sure so with the person together with the private sector.
Okay.
No map investors. No map by there. I'm be say adwuma no. It's a land no e wo ho. Na so no adwuma fo no den. It's adwuma no eso. So adwuma fo no eso.
That's more bring apart from the doors because 70% they are not in here pa. Me ba na maba be di come na
70% no. Ah mo ka no. 70% mo ka no. Enye no kra.
Oh, how? And you know, 70% of Ghanaians are into farming.
And you know, It's just a data.
Okay, for Sanche Mutu, I remember. My boys in this guy is here, and a payment for extra numbers. We say, you have seen a draw on the Cordia for Mulabre, also. Game Park is up next. So, when you know, Aqua Baby, Mamma say Kingdom Hair Bar, for Kingdom Garlic Bitters, for Kingdom Garlic Houses, the Abejaso. A bow ye pa, send a bay or nippedrana hoarding, a bit to me a bum, a boost immune system, no, a multi regional now see ye pa, a chobit to me at 20 bitters. The capsules, so bit me so at 20 bitters, no so. Na 1 million a year edge milk New Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules and so any member drew a boa member yourself, a one pem 8 me a weird in a tremendous so. A man dear, a boy sees and feel money a kama. Maybe to be or maybe a 200 be account, so can be at all. At the 440 enter Kingdom Herbal Center or Kanshi Drug Lane. Maybe any friend 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and 0302 938 153. Kel Chaco toothpaste and Super True Samana come and quandia a Kel Chaco toothpaste and I become for them a BDA and a day aye. And continue the BDA good body tissue and the barber shape pasting and the trees. And my see if it and grandson the omundi or cake and so according to train the same acopa. Over train the same best and premium that could be a essence more air the yepa. Pebito supermarket be able to be around 7 can be at all. To 4 and fresh 0593 092 0593 809 227 0593 809 227 and 0246 865 798. Eric, na also asana meko. Osificus na ye generating. Say the number of akuafo is say a year or Ghana no enya no kre. The reality on ground no support is and support is
Just a data.
It mumu sumu de na say Ghana for say wo kwe yim.
We do catch ourselves about 40% of Ghanaians and they were into farming. Yes.
You knew 50 kra.
Also, farming and then very expensive.
Okay.
Are we talking about commercial farmers or we are talking about
farming in general?
Farming in general.
Yes.
Farming in general, American. They say are very, very expensive because uyenska ato chemicals. Nte kwani no ni obi di konya na o da chemical. Chemicals na ebobo to get more yield so you can take some to the market. What it na yeah land rotation.
Yeah.
Udok akra na we je phone to her.
Okay.
For a period of time. Na etimi land let me enya enough fertile. Wo yeah fertile I was back. Asamba yeso adwuma. Say no most of the lands no the estate development. Wow. Most of the land are more the estate development. In Zama kwadwuma no enye attractive bio.
Oh sir.
Fa obi is a teacher ni our child about 30 years.
Yeah.
We share the shoe no achia. There's no way to teacher by encourage the base. Onko ko chira de.
Teacher for baba bro.
Then question me come.
So e be say akuafo na mom na encourage o maso mo
Na akuafo o background school kura untimi to o school fees. O bantimi ko proper school. Na me anyam adoma. Most of the akuafo no. Intin encourage unto o share o ban kran say on somebody say na what no. There be I say obi a president bank abrochire. Adentia. Opadacha makoda no. Nti say yeah a champion those days a champion yeah friend say
operation feed yourself.
Operation feed yourself. Say boy yeah.
Yeah.
Nti you can food security and one say we have enough reliable source of having enough food restored. That's a food security. Say na menu ya kan no. Friend say Joseph be Joseph Rinyana no. That's what advice he gave to a friend say Pharaoh. So a combeba yen prepare silos. Na yen do yen harvest yen restore e wo ho. Na comba enough.
That silos here will be.
E wan fa aban was silos.
Oh.
Maybe so aban was silos. Aban was silos Nyema ekuafo ye na.
One district, one warehouse near the
Who say so? Have you seen it yourself? Have you been to those areas yourself?
No, sir.
No, have you been there yourself? Have you seen it?
Asenya no kure.
Do you know what is called a silo? Do you know a silo?
One district, one warehouse near there.
Only have him. Almost a man almost
Car warehouse, car silo.
And you been a year about figures no about data no say the tuja keke ye cartoon from mo now so ground honor is not there. The government instead doesn't have a silo to restore food. So the buyer or restore everyone say ekwafo ye obi adu aburo
yeah
ukwa aburo fomu ho na aburo do na say fomu ho nti aban ti mebo a na ewo fomu ho nyina no etimi sesa ni nyina na ya process eye process nyina no na yi efi no
na say aban atem krabata ba ko be efe no exchange commodity ye o mo be create market no dia ma adwadefo se udwia onema no wie ya fatu mo app no so ne empe market no emfa ma
for instance buffer stock would me say kwafo even enye kwafo anka so na de aduane bre buffer stock in say o expect say o menye o sika o even some businessmen went and bought the food from the farmers and then send it to buffer stock think he said o menye o sika then it on time. It's a problem. What should encourage us to go into farming is not there from the state.
Okay. Adom, since I buy see the restrictions be better and there may be a credit farm on the banks. You see a rice, poultry. If you see a 30% the amount local manufacturers as an agronomist, you bet me I produce with 30% of more ya ebedi e wo yemem 30% of poultry ya ebeti me consume wo yemem
me da say ye ka say ye be ye import restrictions ema poultry products and our rice in a way no okay ye say ka say ye betumi e produce ye wo capacity ni say ye betumi e produce. That one, yes. You better me a producer. Nemum na kade no and a year problem. Mekana kadia.
Maybe capacity no, are you talking about the willingness and I said the availability of resources ye de baye.
Naturally, in Yamia Shiraya. Then I here, our Ghana, our Kiyamwa, Yenya. Naturally, we have it. Now, near here, and say input na ebekum na eno no ye produce wo Ghana every outside and eba.
Okay.
It is a mekasa mekofa aba na ye the restrictions ato ho ema meba me eba mpo as common samples mpo a me de beba a me de be trials amasa project no na e wo say mitia tax a change samples no kura ne car mabembebu enu na ekunye make say you chemical bi wo your friend say porter me to me yes it me in the better na me to me aka say ya mama opportunity say me produce 70% na chemical na aba na ni amede be ye adwuma me to me me dey produce 70 in the at the end of the day need to give opportunity to somebody to go and import and sell. Because you're killing me. And a big problem in Ghana. And a big problem. One thing is that say wamaya akwenyano and a wamaya wodena you bet to me aye. Adabakwe was a yen na to muni say was a yen na develop the taste for made in Ghana.
And your cry yen develop it.
And you then
say and your cry.
And your cry yen develop. Yes, we see a chinya da wana waterfall.
In as a metaphor, they be not say, you know,
there be ano, ya shasi wo baby.
Okay.
And ya kuwie wo baby. Intino, ya shasi kakra improvement bebem.
Okay.
The next 10 years, no, a best son. Na yenso ya kose to send ya ye de bano.
Okay, so if we are not could do Mpensenpensemu do is high level. And it's now rather yem peggy and was say. See, and me kura no more than 100%. At least, but meeting them, be 60-70% they are still. Or see it to me, Edru. Because I me di, and more free Thailand, a free US, a free Hefa, at the Eba. That's a Samono air the year. That's all you know to be mamino. Say, me tisa at denna, me farm me fee. And Tony because a minu again in Ayana.
You me that say. No credit say, oh ya kodano, a diania ye de maono. ɛna wodi a fufu wode komo broni bia odi a obe asenia chingap no ori oberi anameboa but wodi a wobemene insenti ni say na ye de tetewo say ye de chance a no matter what ye be develop the taste for it enyom ye da dodo na mere dodo a wo ba ne na ma nyom no ye de na enya se bia wo tie ne ba ko
okay
enti no ebe bua say yen aye de no ye be promote na de ba ko awom ni say ka say se wo ma ye akuafo no yen aye produce rice wa ha I'm telling you made in Ghana rice no de chain imported rice. Yes.
Made in Ghana rice.
Made in Ghana rice. Your friend is saying rice are you produce or aveime. Rice are you produce or goso. Rice are you produce or dranum where you try it. The chain any of the imported rice. And no na can say ye wona kade wo say ye de ka ho. Okay. Processing no ebi no. Say ye wo machinery ebetumi aye separation no perfectly na ne foreign one answer anyhow possible okay. But some machine no sikano we ha medical faba exactly
madam say no na me share mo evara sekese so koma lucky heba me so ya be ati to be afọ ni kire honom say eye endwedwe ya de diabetes na ha hypertension bema na so ba wo hwan de de ma oba mpacho bo so na bu se de hona mane a for any lucky herbal center omu no betumi aboa aso anotu ase kra de abahwebo wini baswedro kwantempo no eso bibia ne afre 0243 201244 0243 201244 and 0277 465 855 ebra so ye ko nyakopon ya admada dwada o man hene kwabra santino obedi ahia baba menka se yempen fo bi so bo mo modin ye pa especially some of the members of parliament every say of once ya yerebi MP hunu project bi apere na ye hospital wa darma wa mankrofo wo once ya yerebi ensetimi aka why there kojo nyame nhira sa 2014 bosha na wo sha manfo wo of once ya yerebi no ampa what team do se ayoyo o ka so pe doctor e de amom ampa ene of once ya yerebi fo betim do onse so bu aka se o doctor ni a on so timi hwom ayasa bia nka na hwe nipa 6000 afimu nyinene etimi hwe nipa over best 20000 samuye seya yabo mabaso da bia so once again kojo oponkroma minister for information and MP for asia yerebi mo ene adwuma pa obode ma amanfo ye work constituency be dey akwasi